I gave the bird some food. From the episode 1, I gave him some food, but he did not eat. But since I gave it on the table and I left him alone, he started eating, and he and I offered him so much food on the ground, but he's eating from the table. Ah! He's coming, Mr. Birdie. I should have put this in 4K. You want more of these? Mr. Birdie, here's some foodie. And I'm gonna eat this stupid food. Oh, it sounds so satisfying when he chews it. Can he eat from the grass? Does he say blind there's more there, or is he fool? Itchy. Me too. Oh, sorry. Me too, Nietzsche. See? হাত কামড় দেবে I am not going to be boiling. আরো দেবে আরো কামড় নিয়ে চলে গেছে না ফেলেছে we have to get more কোথায় আছে প্লিজ মামা না নিচে খাই নাও ওর পছন্দ না ফেলে দিই প্লিজ বিস্কিট দাও বিস্কিট খাও প্লিজ মামা এই দাঁড়াও ও সব খায় না দেখতেই তো পাচ্ছ he can't eat big pieces, you know that, right?